everybody. I'm going to put some moisturizer to your face. Just wait a minute. Actually, I cannot open it, but let's do on for your body. Okay. Tiny bit. Sorry, it's here in the Philippines have no power. Wait, just minute. Wait a minute. Okay, let's. Okay, let's. This is a ASMR. Just like yesterday, I just discovered the later need to be on my hands. Other hand. Do everyone know all the lipsticks and all the lip gloss and lip balm? It's fit for me. Okay, who wants to give me a giveaway? Okay, please use screen give me a giveaway because I am your fan. I am on Julo on Philippines.